leaving you.
You guys gotta go. We're not leaving you.
I'm not leaving you. Take her.
I'm not leaving you alone, Lee.
I'll be fine.
You sure?
Yes.
Wake up, look at me. Wake up, Canopy. I'm not leaving you.
You need to leave.
No, I'm not leaving you again.
It's not safe here alone.
Why you want to leave me?
I'm not leaving you.
Miles, you gotta get the ring today.
I'm not leaving you guys.
We'll distract him. Just go.
But I'm not leaving you here. No. I'll be fine. Go.
You can do it.
You gotta get out of here.
I'm not leaving you!
Damn it, Lorraine, I'm not doing this with you in here!
Keep it safe. Don't let anyone find it. I'll deal with that.
Leave
So
you.
go!
I'm not leaving you. Okay? So forget it.
You're a father now, Brian.
No, I'm not leaving you. Now you stick with the plan.
It was always the plan.
Go to the safe house. Look at me. Go to the safe house. I'll come find you. Okay?
I'm not leaving you.
Listen. You'll be all right.
And this time when they come, they're gonna come with everything they've got.
I'm not leaving you.
You're not. I'm leaving you.
You're leaving me again.
I'm not leaving you.
You're going up there and we're staying down here. That's leaving. You said from now on we'd stay together.
Sarah, stop running. Sarah. Sarah, please. I'm not leaving you. I know you love me.
I do.